Hey guys, welcome back for another video. In today's video we are going to be unboxing the 91 Enigma electric cycle. The first observation of course that I have from this package is that it does not have the Enigma branding, but in fact the box actually says 91 Meraki, but rest assured the bike that I've ordered on Amazon is the Enigma, so that's what I expect to get out of the box. Alright, let's go ahead and open up the packaging. Now my guess, of course, why it still has the Meraki branding is that they probably wanted to get this bike out in time for the Great Indian Festival sale on Amazon and probably didn't have enough time to update the packaging. This particular bike, the Enigma, is sold exclusively on Amazon. Now, while there is a similar variant of this bike available on Flipkart and it's called the 91 Spectre, and although most of the features on the bikes, the Spectre and the Enigma, are similar, but if you do look at the specifications on Flipkart versus Amazon for each of these bikes, you will find that the Enigma is actually 2 kgs lighter than the Spectre, which makes it a better choice than Spectre. Now first up in the box, we have received the toolkit. The toolkit includes a size 4 and size 5 Allen key, as well as the additional tools for assembling the bike. Looking inside the box, the first thing that you would notice is not the contents of the box, but the actual smell of the fresh rubber tires. That's the first thing that I noticed. And once you get over that new tire fragrance, what you will see is you can see the seat, the couple of tires, as well as a box at the right corner there. And now I'm going to remove everything from inside the box and take it out so we can see it more clearly. There's also the handlebar right here. I don't know how clearly you can see it, but it's on the left side here. So let's go ahead and get rid of the box. And one thing to mention though, while removing the bicycle from the box, the front wheel as well as the handlebar are actually attached to the frame of the cycle by means of zip ties. So when you remove the bicycle frame, it's all going to come out of the box at once. So just keep that in mind as you remove the bike from the box. Alright, there we go. The bike is out of the box, and now that it's out, you can see that even though the box said Meraki, the bike is actually the Enigma. Alright, now I'm going to open up this box. Let's see what surprise we have in here. Okay, we have a reflector, some clamp, we also have the pedals with the reflectors on them. We have the rear reflector as well. Some screws in this packet that you can easily lose, so make sure you don't lose it. Another clamp right here. There are a few additional zip ties included to help you secure or to help you put the cables together, better organize them. And there is another box within the box, so let's go ahead and see what this box contains. Alright, so in this box, just as you would have guessed, is the charger for this bike, and it has LED indicators, and the instructions say that you should stop charging when the light turns green. At the back there is also a user manual included for the charger. Alright, now that we've looked at all the individual boxes, let's look at the bike itself without actually assembling it. You can see on the back wheel there are the 160mm disc brakes. On the other side there is the Shimano gear system. Up top we have the seat, which to be honest does feel soft and comfortable. Once I ride it, I'll know whether we need a separate seat cushion or not. Front wheel with the 160mm disc brake as well. The front fork of the bicycle, the rigid fork. On the other side we have the handlebar attached. The ignition keys are right here, and that's pretty much what we get out of the box with the 91 Enigma electric cycle. Now on most days you would see this bike go for around 28,000 on Amazon, but during the Great Indian Sale which happened recently, it was for 24,999, and with some additional discounts you could get it for as low as 21,000, and that's about the best price that I have seen on this bike so far. Now I'm also making an assembly video which you would find linked in the description of this video. So if you've got this bike and you want to see how to assemble it, you can go ahead and click on that. In the description you will also find the link to purchase this bicycle at the best price. So go ahead and click on the link to see what the best price for this bike is today. And before we end the video, some specifications that would help you get to know the bike better. It's got an 18-inch frame with Shimano 7-gear system, and the top speed of the bike based on regulations is limited to 25 kilometers per hour, and with pedal assist it can give you a range of up to 40 kilometers, and the charging time is about 4 to 5 hours for a full charge. The brake system also comes with an electric cutoff, so it cuts off the motor if you press the brake. That's a very important safety feature and very rare to find in electric bikes that you get for this price range. And I'm going to talk more on that in my review video, so definitely watch that video as well. Alright guys, that's all for today's unboxing video. Let me know your feedback in the comments on this cycle as well as on the video. Do leave a like on the video and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.